Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button to stay updated on new releases coming from us. Are you dreaming of amazing travel experiences without breaking the bank? Traveling the world can be an incredible adventure, but it's no secret that some destinations can put a serious dent in your wallet. However, there are still plenty of places where your hard-earned money can stretch further, allowing you to indulge in unforgettable experiences without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 insanely cheap destinations to visit in 2024, perfect for those seeking adventure on a budget. So buckle up and get ready to explore the world without emptying your pockets. Number 5. Thailand. Prepare to be enchanted by the vibrant and affordable beauty of Thailand, a destination that truly embodies the phrase travel on a budget. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the idyllic islands of the south, Thailand offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that won't leave you. Panelists. Imagine strolling through the lively Taksim Square in Istanbul, where a seemingly infinite array of shops, historical gems, and century-old eateries beckon you to explore. Savor the aroma of mouth-watering kebabs wafting through the air, and indulge in the infectious energy that pervades this pedestrian paradise. Venture further afield and discover the majesty of the Galata Tower, a cylindrical monument dating back to the 14th century. Climb to the top and be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of Istanbul, a city where history and modernity intertwine seamlessly. Immerse yourself in the grandeur of Topkapı Palace, the former residence of Ottoman sultans, where opulent interiors and lush gardens transport you to a world of unparalleled luxury. And don't miss the opportunity to explore the iconic Bosphorus, where Europe and Asia converge in a stunning display of natural beauty. From the vibrant street food scene to affordable accommodations, Thailand offers an abundance of experiences that won't break the bank. Indulge in the flavors of authentic Thai cuisine, city coconuts on picture-perfect beaches, and lose yourself in the mesmerizing chaos of bustling night markets, all without the hefty price tag. Number 4. Slovenia. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Slovenia is a hidden gem that offers breathtaking natural beauty and rich cultural experiences at a fraction of the cost of its neighbors. Prepare to be captivated by this affordable and underrated destination. Immerse yourself in the fairy tale-like charm of Lake Bled, where crystal-clear waters and a picturesque island church create a scene straight out of a storybook. Venture into the Julian Alps and explore the rugged beauty of Slovenia's mountain ranges, where hiking trails and outdoor adventures await in the capital city of Ljubljana. Wander through the charming old town, where colorful buildings and lively cafes line the cobblestone streets. Indulge in the country's culinary delights, from locally produced honey to mouth-watering Slovenian wines, all without breaking the bank. Slovenia is. Affordability extends beyond its natural wonders and urban centers. Accommodation options range from unique hostels like the former military prison turned hostel Silica to luxurious hotels like the Intercontinental, ensuring there's something to suit every budget. Number 3. Poland. Step into a world of rich history, vibrant culture, and surprisingly affordable experiences in Poland. From the picturesque Baltic Sea towns to the breathtaking Tatra Mountains, this Central European gem offers a wealth of attractions without the hefty price tag. Explore the captivating city of Krakow, where colorful market squares and unique attractions like the Schindler Factory Museum tell the story of Poland's fascinating past. Indulge in the country's delectable cuisine, from hearty bigos, a meat and cabbage stew, to crispy potato pancakes, and the beloved pierogi dumplings. Venture beyond the cities and discover Poland's natural wonders, like the Base of Forest, one of the last remaining primeval forests in Europe. Hike through ancient trails, spot rare wildlife, and immerse yourself in the untamed beauty of this protected wilderness. Poland's affordability extends to its accommodations and transportation, making it easy to explore without breaking the bank. Stay in charming guest houses, sample local delicacies at traditional milk bars, and navigate the cities with ease using the affordable public transportation system. Number 2. Cambodia. Prepare to be enchanted by the mystic allure of Cambodia, a destination where ancient wonders coexist with modern marvels, all at an incredibly affordable price point. From the awe-inspiring temples of Angkor Wat to the vibrant streets of Phnom Penh, this Southeast Asian gem is a feast for the senses and the wallet. Marvel at the grandeur of Angkor Wat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that stands as a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the Khmer Empire. Wander through the intricate carvings and towering spires, and be transported back in time to an era of unparalleled architectural achievements. The site is vast, with numerous temples and ruins to explore, and the affordable admission fee allows you to immerse yourself in this ancient wonder without breaking the bank. Beyond Angkor Wat, discover the other magnificent temples that atop the Angkor Archaeological Park, such as the otherworldly taproom, where the encroaching jungle has reclaimed the ruins, and the serene Bayon Temple with its enigmatic, smiling faces carved into the stone. Hire a tuk-tuk driver or rent a bicycle to navigate the park and soak in the stunning scenery at your own pace. Delve into the rich history and culture of Phnom Penh, where the haunting reminders of the Khmer Rouge regime coexist with vibrant markets and bustling streets. Explore the city's many temples, such as the impressive Silver Pagoda, with its gleaming floors made of over 5,000 silver tiles. Visit the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum, a sobering yet important reminder of Cambodia's past, and pay your respects at the Chungyi killing fields, where you can learn about this dark chapter in the country's history. Beyond the cities, Cambodia's natural wonders await. From the serene landscapes of the Cambodian countryside to the ancient ruins that stand as silent sentinels of a bygone era, venture to the floating villages of Tael Sap Lake, where you can observe the unique way of life of the local communities, or explore the mangrove forests and hidden temples of the Kep region, all while keeping your travel budget in check. Number 1. Georgia. Nestled between Europe and Asia, Georgia is a hidden gem that offers a tantalizing blend of ancient history, stunning landscapes, and unbeatable affordability. Prepare to be captivated by this up-and-coming destination that promises unforgettable experiences without the hefty price tag. Explore the vibrant capital city of palaces, where centuries-old churches and fortresses coexist with modern architecture and bustling markets. Wander through the narrow streets of palaces. Old Town, where the aroma of freshly baked cacao, puree, Georgian cheese, bread, and the sound of traditional music fill the air. Visit the iconic Nicola Fortress, a 4th-century citadel that offers panoramic views of the city and marvel at the grandeur of the church. Picturesque villages, ancient monasteries, and towering peaks await. Hike through the lush savanna region. A UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its iconic medieval stone towers and unique cultural heritage. Explore the remote mountain towns such as Mestiza and encounter the welcoming and hospitable locals who will gladly share their traditional cuisine and customs with you. Indulge in the flavors of Georgia's renowned cuisine, which seamlessly blends influences from Europe and Asia, from the rich, flavorful stews and hearty king dumplings to the world-famous Georgian wines. Every bite and sip is a celebration of the country's culinary heritage. With affordable dining options from bustling street food markets to cozy family-run restaurants, you can savor the delicious flavors of Georgia without breaking the bank. With affordable accommodations ranging from cozy guest houses to modern hotels and budget-friendly transportation options, Georgia offers an unparalleled opportunity to experience the best of its ancient and modern attractions without emptying your wallet. Prepare to be enchanted by the unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty that this up-and-coming destination has to offer. That concludes our countdown of the top 5 insanely cheap destinations to visit in 2024. From the vibrant streets of Thailand to the ancient wonders of Cambodia and the hidden gems of Georgia, these destinations offer a perfect blend of affordability and unforgettable experiences. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly travel inspiration. Until next time, happy and affordable travels.